everyone. I'm so excited to be part of the 50th anniversary celebration of the Rothko Chapel. By reflecting on the positive role played by this very important institution of bringing people together and creating a sense of community, I am reminded of the words of Guru Nanak, the founder of the Sikh faith, who wrote in this beautiful hymn, Sab mein jot jot hai soe, tis de chanan sab mein chanan hoye. He says every human being has the same light, the light which has created this entire universe. And each human being reflects God's light and God's purpose. And Guru Nanak, when he started his journey as a leader to lay down the foundation of this new faith, he also declared, there is no Hindu, there is no Muslim. He did not mean to deny the religious identity of these great faiths or any faith. What he meant was that in the eyes of God, these labels mean very little. God loves everyone. God loves all faiths, and we are all God's children. And Guru Nanak also gave another beautiful thought. Guna ka hove vasla kadvas lai jai, je gun hovan sajna ta saaj kari jai, saaj kari jai gun hai keri chhod ab gun chaliye, chhod ab gun chaliye. If you want to live a life full of purpose and meaning, then open up. Smell the fragrance of such people who are creating love in this world, who are spreading kindness, who are standing up for others, who are lifting up the poor and those who don't have the voices. You can be inspired in their company. But he also reminded that when you're trying to create a community, focus on each other's positive things rather than on the negative side. Leave aside the negativity. Leave aside each other's imperfections and shortcomings. Focus on the strengths, and then only you will create a better community, a loving nation, and a harmonious world. And that is what the world is waiting for. And I would also like to offer my prayers for the Rothko Chapel, all its patrons, the members, the supporters, the board of directors, so this institution can continue to be a positive force in this nation and in the world. May God bless us all. Thank you.